The more burgers, the more better.
Burger Show approved.
Wow!
Like many things affected by COVID-19, the past year and a half has been grim for the restaurant industry. But in the wake of the pandemic's destruction, a beautiful thing happened. A vibrant pop-up movement took root in Los Angeles. It's no exaggeration to say that this is a burger revolution, thanks to an explosion of underground hamburger stands that have poured their heart out for the city we love so much. Today, I'm meeting up with some good friends of mine to celebrate two special backyard pop-ups. First, we're going to hit Yellow Paper to try their classic double cheeseburger with chefs Knuckle and Arjun from Bodmash and Burgers 99. After that, I'm going to link up with the homie DJ So Super Sam to try an epic Smashburger from Hangaburs. This one goes out to the city I love.
Where the fuck are we, bro?
We're here for burgers, bro. I need big comfort right now.
I mean, if it's popping, we're gonna pull up. That's it. Even if we gotta pull up in a fucking alley.
We're in the middle. Alley.
Yeah, we out here.
So I'm taking y'all to one of the best burger pop-ups in all of LA. Got hot during the pandemic. Yo, they don't even do this no more, bro. They've blown up. They're beyond the backyard now. This is the OG spot.
Burgers are for the people, man. My most beautiful memories of having a burger are in a backyard. So this is really special.
You know, we've been hit hard with COVID. We've lost a bunch of restaurants. Rest in peace. And what's dope about Los Angeles is that we're a community, bro. We come and we support.
Yeah,
Nice.
man. Cheers.
Cheers. Yellow Paper.
Let's run it.
Let's run it.
My name is Colin,
My name's Katie.
and together we run Yellow Paper Burger. We're basically operating a burger drive-through out of our backyard. I was a bartender at Tony's Saloon. On Sundays, we would make burgers set up in the parking lot and then serve people on the patio. Last year, July, I got laid off and Katie was still working.
Yeah, I was working at Tartine doing pastry. We were just like, should we try to do a pop-up out of our backyard? Should we just make burgers and like see if people will come?
A lot of my favorite burgers, especially in LA, are wrapped in yellow paper. Little one-off spots and like hole in the wall, and that's where the name comes from,
Yeah.
Yellow Paper Burger. So it's like a classic California cheeseburger. It's smashed, but it's not super thin, lacy edge. We just season it with salt and pepper, American cheese, chopped chilies, lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles. The bun is small, it's white and squishy. It's just very simple and classic.
I started making hand pies because I love them. I love making pie dough.
They're amazing. You know, cheeseburgers and apple pie, like what's more classic American food than that? It's a bit of an adventure too. Like you have to place an order, then you find out the address, then you got to figure out how to get there. People would pull up on the alley, like what is this sketchy alley? But then we come out and give you your burger, you know, and you're like, fuck yeah, this is awesome.
I'm never more in my element than I am right now, bro. I'm not even lying to you. We're in the backyard.
Facts.
Burgers. I'm with my best friends in the whole
Facts.
world. We got the styrofoam cups.
Facts.
We have Colin and Katie.
It's a vibe.
And I love this, how it's just written on yellow paper
Fire.
with a marker.
My favorite part is there's no fucking menu. It's just like, yo, you're gonna eat what we serve you and that's it.
Show us how you do things.
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
Yeah, I'm ready.
We just do singles and doubles, but we're gonna make doubles for you guys.
Tight.
All
Yes.
day.
But what's the ratio like? You fucking with the single or you like the double? Cause like meat to bun it's a big deal.
I kind of like two singles, like back to back.
That's what I'm saying. I'm a single boy.
Butter on the buns, on the griddle, and then you're also getting that residual grease, you know?
It's Dad's favorite fucking gadget.
The butter wheel.
I call it the
You got the what I call the dowel method, which I
Yeah,
love.
this is a cocktail muddler from the bar.
Yeah.
Very important. Mayo on the top and the bottom. If you don't have mayo on your burger, you're a fucking asshole.
I don't fucking want it.
Of course, American cheese.
Chopped chilies right on the cheese, then onions, pickles, tomato, lettuce.
This is key.
Oh.
Shredded lettuce. Oh. She has a tuck and roll move.
Yo, she's a baker. She ain't playing. She's fucking detailed to like no limit.
We're not just eating burgers. We have the world famous ham pies.
Hand,
Thank you.
my
hand
goodness.
shaped.
There you guys go. Yellow paper. It's time to eat.
Yes, please.
I mean, look at how fucking beautiful this burger is, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
The seasoning spot on.
Yo, the bottom bun is becoming translucent
Yeah.
as we eat.
It's just sucking everything up.
That's perfect.
Nothing's popping out. The construction of a burger is like super, super important. Like
People don't fucking understand
Yeah,
that. Like
they
people
just-
put lettuce underneath the meat.
Yep.
the composition is very key. Like that's the difference between like a fast food burger and a burger that's like made with knowledge and love.
With
know?
you in mind.
Number one thing is the product. I mean, there's a lot of people that believe in like if you have a cool hat or a celebrity following you on Instagram, if the product isn't good, you're not popping. And this shit slaps.
Yes.
So
That's a good burger.
fire.
I need another.
I gotta see this. What this pie is saying now.
Yo, I feel like this is like when everyone met up in Staten Island and formed a group called Wu-Tang Clan. I have that raw energy just radiating in the middle of Monterey Park, East LA, off the 60 freeway right now. You know what I
this
mean?
is something. This is definitely something.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, the pie is fucking crazy.
That pie is nuts. Remember what we used to say before about community over competition? Remember,
Yeah.
Knuckle? That was like words from
100%.
you.
Yeah.
There's a fuck ton of burger pop-ups in Los Angeles.
A lot.
There's like 12-year-old kids like popping up and be like, yo, I'm the next George Motes. I'm smashing burgers with onions in it and shit.
If you're trying to make a burger in your backyard, do it. How
Yeah.
far do you want to take it? I hope they take it to the
Yeah.
next level because
I
I
hope
feel
so.
like more people should eat this.
Yeah, agreed. Once the state gets opened up 100% again, it's going to be the wild, wild west of burgers in Los Angeles.
Shit, hide your kids, man.
Yeah,
Like,
serious for real.
The more burgers, the more better.
Right?
Yeah.
Coming back to COVID, it's pushed people to go simple.
You don't see pop-ups selling foie gras burgers.
Exactly.
Fuck that shit,
So
bro.
I love this. It's kind of like a reset. It's just a burger, right?
Yeah.
But you said homie has technique.
Yellow paper burger, the best.
For real.
Arjun Knuckle, thanks for joining me.
Or thank you
Yes.
for having us.
I have to run to the next spot. I got to go grab another burger in the beautiful city that I love.
You live a tough life, yo.
I live a tough life. Burger Show, baby. We out.
Shout out to fucking Alvin, the Dawn.
Hey!
Hi, Alvin.
I'm so excited.
I am too. Where are
We're
we?
at El Sereno.
El
we're-
Sereno!
Yes, we're on the east side.
We're in one of the oldest neighborhoods of Los Angeles.
The streets have been talking, and they were saying that this is the spot to be.
I'm
Have
so
you been
excited.
eating burgers during the pandemic? Or?
I have been eating burgers during the pandemic, but mostly, you're gonna be so mad at me.
Why?
I really
plant-based.
like, yeah,
Fucking Monty's, huh?
not Monty's.
Which one?
No, I'm not even gonna say.
No, this is it's okay.
Is this off the record?
It can be.
I don't want to be on the burger show being like, I love Impossible Burger, but I do, you guys,
You gotta support these guys.
all day.
Everyone's trying to hustle right now. You get to taste a very unique burger, and it's their special.
Let's eat this.
I'm ready. We ready.
Let's do it. I'm excited.
Let's
Come
go.
on.
Watch my butt. Oh shit, these are the gates that I always have trouble with. See?
It's always good to have a friend.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Cecilia. My name is Alicia, and we are the owners and operators of Hangar Birds in El Sereno. It's my wife. It's my wife. This is my mother-in-law's backyard right now. For the most part, this is where you'll find us every 2 weeks. The name kind of came about, we were thinking of names and what a kid would say, misspell it or missay it, they would say Hangaburs.
I mean, that's how I used to say it as a kid.
Before this, we had zero food experience.
Yeah.
I'm a graphic designer. I work for Disney. When the pandemic started, they furloughed a bunch of us, and I was one of the ones furloughed. It's kind of a man's game, and there's not really women doing burgers, so that for me was intimidating, and I kept shelving that dream. And it wasn't until the pandemic that I had no excuse.
She took the chance, she took the leap, and
Here we are. Right now, we make two styles of burgers. One is the original, the other is the tepic. On our original burger, you're gonna get American cheese, thin sliced onion, and our Hangabur sauce. And for our tepic, you're gonna have grilled onions, American cheese, hand slice, panela cheese. You will get tomato and tepic sauce. After our trip to Tepic Nayarit, we fell in love with this burger, and so we thought, let's try to make our own version of it. I didn't expect this reaction to our burger. The third pop-up, the line was 3-hour wait, and that just like, all right, we're in this. We've been together now for almost 18 years. Almost 8 years married, 18 years together. It's natural, we just kind of complement each other.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. I can't talk. I get all emotional. Don't look at me.
Hello.
Hey, Alvin. Hey.
Dude, this is the most put together pop-up.
The branding is on punto.
On point.
Thank you.
How long have you
years.
been doing this?
Almost a year. We're like a
Wow.
month shy of a year.
And they've got merch.
You guys are ready to like open like a real legit place.
Yeah.
You never know. Maybe that's next.
Maybe.
We had burgers at our wedding.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
So that was our food. It's part of us.
So
a
you're
part of
true
our-
to this.
Yes.
What are we thinking?
Well, you gotta try the tepic. Gotta try
Okay.
the original. I think we should start with the single. I just like that ratio. And then you could have more than
See,
one.
I'm already a fan.
All
Single
right.
in
Ratios, super important.
It is.
Someone here has had some type of restaurant
Yeah,
experience.
No, it's just
Because like the
Neither
mise
of
en
us.
place on point, like the ticket rail blows my mind.
Like, when did you even get your first ticket rail?
I
Probably
didn't.
like
You know what
not
I used to
into
do? I used to roll up tape.
all these
and then I would
things that you're
stick it.
saying. I believe them about you.
I do.
Yeah. Take some notes.
I really am.
Wow. There's the smash.
that's why one is just right.
It's true.
I was gonna ask you if you ever get bored of burgers, but this is so exciting.
Every burger is different now.
Yeah. And then when the patty hits the grill, it's like a brand new party every time.
Seriously.
I came to party.
The candy lace on that is very important. You know why this is occurring?
Why?
Because her griddle is so damn clean.
Ow!
My mouth is watering.
I am just about to lose my mind.
It looks so good.
And here we go.
I cannot wait. I'm really excited about all this stuff.
So are we going original or?
Yeah, we're gonna go original.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Wow. First off, it's crispy, perfectly seared.
The thinness of the patty with the amount of onion, the thinness of the pickles, it's all well considered.
Yeah, she's not lying.
And it hits. Bro, this hits.
9 times out of 10, a burger anywhere in LA, New York, San Francisco
Sure.
comes on a Martin potato roll. 9 times out of 10, they taste exactly the same.
Because that's like their flex. They're like, oh, I'm on a Martin's potato roll.
Yeah.
And you're like, sorry, bud. Like, Martin's potato roll is not going to save you if your
Right.
burger is mid.
Yeah, if your burger is trash, a Martin potato roll does not save you. If I was a burger pop-up and I was serving a smash burger on Martin's roll, I would change my bun.
You would.
I'm fucking not lying. In a male-dominated
Wow.
burger pop-up world, this is gonna have every dude shaking in their boots.
Yep. Shaking in their bun. Also, I'm just going to start eating the tepic.
It is so pretty. There's a lot going on. How come this hasn't come to light before? Because
I'm
this
sorry.
is just damn unreal.
This is bangers. I feel like I'm eating a bodega breakfast sandwich in New York at the
Yes.
same time as a SoCal
That's what I was
burger.
feeling. Burger show approved.
Wow! Where's your burger gavel?
I don't have one.
We need one. You and I have connected over many years on like being Filipino American,
Mm-hmm.
SoCal, kind of like breaking some traditional expectations.
Right. We're
from,
not working in the healthcare industry.
We're not. We probably should be. But we chose different paths. We kind of both hit like a fuck it point. Like, let me just follow my shit
Let's do what we love.
and get it popping. And I feel like that's what this is. Hangaburs, they just said, fuck it. Like, let's do it.
I agree.
That's how you get new shit.
I definitely think that this is gonna rock the burger world. Real quick, one word, shook.
The future of burgers is female.
Sam, thanks for sharing burgers with me. You know I got nothing but love for you. Burger Show, we out, baby. What's up, Burger World? Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. If not for me, for the burgers. I love you.